Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will look at different ways to flatten arrays in JavaScript. And by the end of the video, you will understand that what flattening means and what are the multiple solutions which are ready to use in your projects, right? So let's understand that what is flattening. So as you can see, I have already written the definition of flattening here. So flattening means converting a nested array. It means the array inside arrays into a single level array. Now, what does this all sound? Well, it is very easy to understand that if you are having a array like this, inside of this I'm having the elements like 1, comma 2, and also the array inside the array like this. Like you can see, also having a array inside another array like this. Now, inside the array I'm also having array like this. So these are called the multiple level of arrays, right? And dealing with it is quite much difficult, right? Like this, you can see this is very difficult to understand, and I don't want these all arrays to be differently and be at different level. I want everything at one single level like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. You can see everything is at what? At a single level. So this is a single level, this is a multiple level. So for solving this kind of problem, what we use the flattening of array methods, right? So let's start with the first example. That is what? That is your flat method. So how we can do it? Well, let's say that I'm having const nested equals to, I'm having the example as this, as you can see, 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is the another array inside this particular array, and here I'm having the third array, and inside the third array I'm also having a one more array like this. I want the result as a single array. So first, what we are going to use? We are going to use a flat method, right? Sorry, flat method. So let me show you how. So I'm going to take another variable that is called const flattened array, right? And inside of this, I will first write the name of the original array, that is nested, and then we put the dot here, and then we write the flat like this, right? Now, if you go and search for the result in your console, flattened array like this, right? Now, if you go to the console and check, you can see I'm getting the array like this. This is the 1 comma 2, as you can see here, 1 comma 2 comma 3 that got resolved, right? And then the 4 got resolved from here, but we are having the array 5 6 is still inside this particular array. As a result, you can see in the fourth index number 4 I'm having an array here. Why it happened? Well, your flat method does what? It actually like it your flat methods resolves the array up to the single level only, right? But if you don't know that how deep your array is in terms of uh, having the nested arrays, in that case you use a little more difference, that is const fully flattened equals to, in that case we first write the name of the array, then we put the dot, and then we do write the flat here, and inside the bracket we write the infinity. Now if you go and put it inside your console, right, and check, you can see now I'm getting a single level array, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So this is how we do the flattening of arrays in JavaScript. So you have understood that what are the flat method, right? And after doing the flat method, what happens? It actually reduces it to up to what? Up to the single level. But if you don't know that how deep your array is, in that case you use the infinity here. And when you use the infinity inside the bracket, it actually resolves the whole flattening of the array up to the last part, up to the last level, right? And it resolve it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6, everything at the same level, right? So this is how we do the flattening of arrays in JavaScript. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. And if you do, then make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button, right? So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. We will meet in the next video very soon. Goodbye.